Hey everybody, welcome to the Mustache Manifestos. These are the daily updates on our website, and right now we are all on the World Wide Web. This is going to be the update for, what's this one for? This is going to be for Montauk. We had a great session in Montauk. We were able to surf behind a couple of boats. We were able to get down to a great local surf spot and hit the beach, and also was able to play an amazing concert at the Surf Lodge. So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, here's some of the highlights of our great time spent in Montauk.
I'm standing here on the ground. The sky above won't fall down. See no evil in all directions. A resolution of happiness. Things have been dark for too long. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me.
Welcome to the daily update, everybody. We are up in Montauk. We couldn't find any waves on the beach, so we're going to catch waves behind a boat like this. Check it out.
It was gone for too long. Hear no evil in all directions. Execution of bitterness. Message received loud and clear. Don't change for you. Don't change.
You heard about the secret wave in this bay? I think there's a second one right now. Hurry, Tito, get ready to paddle in.
I'm standing here on the ground. The sky above won't fall down. See no evil in all directions. Resolution of happiness. Things have been dark for too long. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. I don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me.
Welcome to the daily update, everybody. Mustache Manifestos for the Hamptons. Here we are. Couldn't find any waves at the beach today, ladies and gentlemen, but it's about a 3-foot peeler behind the boat. Check it out.